Hello everyone, this is Clem from Ask Clem Today. The top 7 gadgets. Drink topless. Drink from a can like it's a glass. How cool. And it floats. Are you tired of sitting down at your computer table or at the desk? Well, now with Sit Stand Laptop Desk, it's a lightweight and convenient sit stand desk. It helps keep you active and productive all day. Check how cool this product is. It's portable, it's lightweight, and it's easy to set up, and you can have several positions to set it at. Check it out. Check this out, guys, a hybrid drive, the only USB hub with a high-speed SSD storage, an expandable hub with high-speed SSD. How cool is this? You can use it for multiple devices. And get rid of all the other clutter. Check this cool gadget out, the new Smart Light Selfie Stick. It expands, has remote tilt, has LED lights, 6-button control panel, zoom option, a control panel that offers full control of all your features using only one hand. Check out these pictures. The new standard for the smallest mobile multi-device fast charging, 100 watts and 65 watts. For the professional that's on the go, or even for the traveler. Check how cool this is. You can use this device anywhere around the world. Finally, it's here, guys. Ultra thin wallet. The wallet that can hold 8 cards and money. This is a pretty tough wallet. It's actually made military grade materials.